Hi everybody, it's Julie from Artfully You, and today we're going to be drawing Avatar. Let's go. There we go. So we've done our 3 fingers in between. The next thing we're going to do is 2 fingers below. So 3 fingers in between, 2 fingers below. We're going to do just a line for the nose. Okay, so it's 2 fingers below, a little line. And we're going to do a kind of cat-like nose. So you know how a cat nose is kind of like that little T shape. And then I'm going to take a line up to the eyelid. So a line up to the eyelid. Okay, so the next bit, like maybe half a pinky finger space underneath the nose, like half a pinky finger space, we'll do a little curved line. Then we'll do almost a straight line. It's going to curve down and up a bit. And that is the same width as the nose, near enough, or same width of the space in between the eyes. And we'll do another little line. So a short line, slightly curved line, another short line, and then we're going to just join the dots. Is it looking like Avatar?
Yes.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if you've done that. Okay, good job. Okay, I'm going to do a little curve underneath for where the chin is. And then about 1 and a bit finger spaces underneath the bottom lip. I'm going to do a curved line for the chin. It's about 1.5 finger spaces. And then she's turning slightly to one side. So I'm going to do the side of the face, but it's going to be closer to this eye because she's turning slightly to one side. But this side is a little bit wider. Now there is an ear here, so I'm not going to start the line here because this is where the ear is. I'm going to go slightly down there, and then I'm going to go down and around. So because she's turned it slightly sideways, this cheek appears to be a little bit bigger, just a touch. And we've left a little space here to do the ear. They have those kind of like pixie ears. So see if we can do this. It kind of goes round and up. So we're going to do round and up. And then kind of down and around. There you go. Okay, and then we'll do a little line here. And maybe a little line here. Give me a thumbs up when you've done the ear. Yeah. Okay, so now the forehead is quite large. So if you were to look at the tops of the eyes, the forehead is 4 fingers high. And that's because when we look at any face, our eyes are kind of in the middle. So we need about the same amount of room above the eyes as below the eyes. So it's going to be 4 fingers above. So let's do a curved line. Like a proper alien, hey?
It looks weird. Real.
It's gonna look okay in a minute. Okay, good job. Let's do the other side of the ear. It looks smaller. It's just like a little bit pointing out. So I'm gonna make sure it's in line with this ear. So we'll draw an imaginary line across. And then this ear appears to be a bit smaller because it's a side-on view. I want to make sure the bottom is in line with this one. And then she's got like a hole in this ear, like an ear piercing. Give this a little copycat line. Like that. Now, she's gonna look a lot more like a girl once we put the hair on and do the neck. And then I'm gonna follow the line of the jaw and do the neck. Then we're gonna put the hair on. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready for the hair. Okay. We doing okay, Emma and Mia? Yeah? Okay, right. So let's do the hair. So the hair, as you see, it kind of starts sort of narrow here, slightly wavy. And then it's going to be about 2 fingers high here. So we're going to take it 2 fingers high. It's going to duck behind the ear. And it's going to come down. And then let's look at it this side. Bump and jump over. There we go. It's got like a bit of a parting here. Like a bit of a parting there. And then after that, we need to do the kind of avatar facial markings. So there's one coming down the middle and it's like a wibbly wobbly, kind of like a V. First one. And then the next 2 are quite short. So the next 2, we do 2 V's like this. And then the next one is kind of coming round towards that one like that. And the next one's kind of cool because it kind of goes around, but then it changes direction. So it kind of goes like that. Changes direction. And then there's, I think there's another little one here. There we go. And I know her whole body is covered in them, so you can always put some on her neck and stuff as well. I think there's some kind of like this on her neck. And she has a special necklace. It's kind of like, it's got 3 circles on it. It's like beads. And then it's like little beads joining it. And then she has beads in her hair. So I'm going to make some of those beads in curve line, and then kind of like this. There are a few beads that are in her hair. It's kind of goes up like this. And it's kind of like woven, so I might do like a crisscross to make it look woven, and you can do as many of those as you want. Those kind of beads. Maybe you can do one here. Let's do the beads. Something like that. So put as many of those as you want on there. Have you got a question for me, Nolan?
I'm done.
You're done? Okay, you ready to color? The only thing I haven't done is the eyelashes, so I'm just gonna do the eyelashes. That makes it look a bit more girly. Okay, are we ready to color? I don't know if there's any markings on the face. I can't remember. Oh, that's cool. Minecraft. Very cool. Okay, so let's have a go at doing a bit of coloring. I can't wait to see how everybody does this. Time to color.
I know somewhere up ahead your path meets with mine, and I will know when the moment comes, I will feel it's time, and it's all about timing, and it's all about me. It's all about feeling, and it's all I can believe. On my thoughtful days, I wonder what life you're living now. If you're happy with the things you do, if you keep your faith somehow.